Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Telegram and signing in if needed. Once done, tap your profile photo or the three-line menu to expose the main settings. From Settings, go straight to Appearance or Chat Settings. This area controls themes and colors for chat backgrounds and interface elements. Make sure your app is up to date so the appearance options match what I describe. If you see different labels, look for themes instead and tap to continue with the next steps. Once inside Appearance, select Dark or Night to apply a dark theme immediately, and take a quick preview so you can compare contrast and readability. If Telegram offers an auto night schedule, enable it and set times or sunset to sunrise to switch automatically. You can also tweak intensity and accent color to balance contrast for your eyes. Make sure to check chat background blur and notification sound settings tied to the theme so the overall experience matches your preference. To finish, confirm your theme choices and exit settings, then open a few chats to ensure text and icons remain legible across different message types. If you prefer consistency, enable Telegram to follow your device's system-wide dark mode so it switches automatically. Otherwise, keep the manual selection. If the theme does not apply, update the app first, then restart Telegram or your device, and as a last resort reinstall. This usually resolves persistent theme or rendering issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.